Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about the biochemical tests for laboratory identification of bacteria. Means, so how to identification of bacteria in the laboratory? Which type of tests are involved in their identification of bacteria? Now we discuss. These tests are mainly used for the detection of or identification of bacteria. Proper provide a additional information identification of the bacterium. So means we are already discussed about the morphology of bacteria, size of the bacteria, structure of the bacteria also. So it provides the additional information. It provides the additional information about the bacteria, identification of the bacteria. So in here different types of tests are included are there. Different type of tests are included. What are there? First one test is the oxidase test. Oxidase test. So what is the oxidase test? So oxidase test means it is they detect the presence of an enzyme only. So the oxidase test is detects the presence of enzyme. It is the determination or detects the presence of enzyme. Presence of enzyme. So which enzyme? That enzyme is the oxidase enzyme. Oxidase enzyme. So it detects the presence of an enzyme. Oxidase produced by the certain bacteria. Oxidase enzyme is produced. This oxidase enzyme is produced by the certain type of bacteria. It is produced by the certain type of bacteria. So which will reduce the dye. Means what happened? The oxidase enzyme, it is the reduce the dye, means color is reduces. So which color? That color name is the trimethyl paraphenylene diamine dihydrochloride. So this is the dye name, means color name. So the oxidase test is that detects the presence of enzyme. Which enzyme? Oxidase enzyme. The oxidase enzyme, it produced by the certain type of bacteria. So it one is what happened with the oxidase enzyme? The oxidase enzyme decreases or reduce or reduction of the dye, means color. So which one color? Trimethyl paraphenylene diamine dihydrochloride color. So in here what happened? The positive, in here two tests are present. Here two tests are present. So what are there? This positive test, oxidase positive test, oxidase positive, and the next one oxidase negative. Oxidase positive and oxidative negative, two results are obtained. So the positive test is indicated by the development of the which color? This any color. The oxidase enzyme, it contains the any this particular the particular sample is have the any color. It's the development of the pink or purple color. So development of purple color is now, it indicates the positive oxidase test. Example, any example for this positive oxidase test is example Vibrio cholera, Pseudomonas cocci. So this is example for the, these are the example for the oxidase positive test. Oxidase positive test means what is the result? Purple color is the development. In here there is no chance for the production of the purple color. There is no chance for the development of the purple color. Is example. What is the example of this negative test? Is the salmonella. or Shaijilla. So in here, this particular color is decreases. This particular indicator decreases the any of the color of microorganism. In case of development of the purple color, there is no chance for the production. Each one is a positive test. It is example is a Vibrio and Pseudomonas cocci. In case of this color is changed, but not development of the purple color is known as a negative oxidase test. This is about the oxidase test. And the next one test is the sugar fermentation test. Sugar fermentation test, or it is also known as a carbohydrate fermentation test. It is also known as a carbohydrate fermentation test, sugar fermentation test, and as well as the TSI. It is also known as a TSI. TSI means triple sugar iron triple sugar iron agar. Triple sugar iron agar. This test is a sugar fermentation test or carbohydrate fermentation test or triple sugar iron agar test. So what is this test? So first of all, in here, the test done determination of the ability of bacteria. It is a determination of ability means movement. Ability of the bacteria. What is this importance of this test? Ability of the bacteria. So in here, what happened? These are the fermentation test is the ability of the bacterium to ferment a particular sugar. To ferment a particular sugar, and produces the acid or gas or both. And final result is in here final result color produces. In here final result produces acid, gas or both are produces. So in here what happened is, first of all we take the peptone water. The peptone water it containing the various sugars like glucose, lactose, sucrose. So first of all we take a peptone water, it contains the glucose, lactose, sucrose. So and sucrose, mannitol and etc. carbohydrates are presented here. This is the sugar molecules. So the next one we are added the Android indicator also. Android indicator. Android indicator is added to the peptone water. So this Android indicator and peptone water is added to the medium. Means culture, means bacteria. So added to the some amount of bacteria to this peptone water, Anderson indicator and medium. So these are all are taken a beaker. These all are peptone water, Anderson and as well as the indicator. So these are all are added in the beaker. The next one, the solution is transferred into inverted tube. Transferred into a tube. The tube name is known as a Durance tube. Durance tube. So Durance tube. The Durance tube it's look like a. This is called as a Durance tube. Durance tube look like a Durance tube. So in Durance tube, the solution is added into Durance tube. So then after, so the test bacterium inoculation into the sugar medium. We already added this in this medium. In this medium, we added the bacteria. In this medium. So after that, this solution is transferred into a Durance tube and placed in a vertically, so at 37 degrees Celsius up to 24 to 48 hours. up to 28 to 24 to 48 means 1 to 2 days. So at the 37 degrees Celsius. After that it produces finally it produces what, acid, gas, or both. So in here acid production, in case of acid production, what happened in the Durance tube? So it indicates the color change of the medium into, it indicates the color change into pinkish red color. Pink red color is produces. In case of acid formation, pink red color is produces. In case of gas formation, what happened? In case of gas formation, what happened? It indicates the formation of the air bubbles in the Durance tube, or black color also produces in the Durance tube. And in case of acid and gas both produces, what happened in this particular means here color change means pink red color, and as well as the air bubbles also formation in this test. So in here there is no color change of the sugar medium. It is known as a no color change or no air bubbles formation. It is nothing like a negative reaction. So in each and every test, it contains the positive reaction, negative reaction. Positive reaction means these are all are the positive reaction. In case there is no color change, it is indicates the negative reaction. So examples. What is the examples? So in case of acid production only acid production, example is the Shigella, Vibrio cholera. So the next one, in case of acid gas, both are produces. Escherichia coli, E. coli, and Klebsiella. And the next one only gas is production is known as a Proteus. Proteus is example for this particular test. And the next one, indole test. Number 3 is indole test. So what about the indole test? So the indole test is a determination or the detects the ability of bacteria. It is the detects the ability of bacteria. So in a demonstration of ability of certain type of bacteria, it is a how to determination. It is a decompose the amino acid tryptophan. Decompose the amino acid. So which one amino acid? That name is the tryptophan. Tryptophan is one of the amino acid. It's converted into indole. It is detects the demonstration of this particular ability of the bacteria to decompose the amino acid tryptophan into indole. So what is the procedure? So first of all, peptone water is Peptone water, it containing the carbohydrates. We are already discussed in the previous test, sugar fermentation test. And the next one, the peptone water is inoculated with the test of bacterium. The peptone water is inoculated with the bacterium. This bacteria is added to the simply peptone water. Then after, it is incubated at the 37 degrees Celsius. Incubated at the 37 degrees. Incubation means development. At this moment, development of the bacteria at the 37 degrees Celsius for 24 to 48 hours. So in here they are produced the indole form of the tryptophan presented in the peptone water. So in here, after it produces the tryptophan is produces after 24 hours, it produces the tryptophan. So how to determine if tryptophan is produced or not? After overnight of the incubation, add the few drops of Covax reagent. Add the few drops of Covax reagent. It is also known as a indole reagent. Covax reagent or indole reagent is added to this particular reaction. So in here, the particular reaction is a Covax reagent or indole reagent is added to the particular solution. It produces the pink ring near the surface. It produces the pink ring near the surface. And the next one where the surface also produces. This test is known as a positive test. In case of produces the pink ring is nothing like it is a positive test. In case of yellow ring is produces, it is a negative test. It is the negative reaction. So indole positive reaction. Indole positive reaction example is the E. coli, Escherichia coli, Proteus, and etc. The next one, negative, indole negative. Example is a Salmonella. So the next one test is the citrate utilization test. The citrate utilization test is we are added the one medium. That medium is known as done in the Simmons citrate medium. Simmons citrate medium. So the Simmons citrate medium is what is the important is detect the ability of bacteria. So how to detect the ability of bacteria? To utilize the citrate. Utilization of the citrate. And the next one, source of the carbon also. Depends upon the citrate and carbon molecule, determination of the ability of bacteria with the using of the Simmons citrate medium. So in here, it containing the Simmons citrate medium, it containing the sodium citrate. It is medium containing the sodium citrate plus bromomethyl blue. Bromothymol or methyl bromothymol blue. These are the indicator. This is the indicator, color indicator. This is the sodium citrate. So these are the added to the Simmons citrate medium, and this bacteria is added. Simmons citrate medium, bacteria, and this particular indicator added in a one beaker. After that, the citrate utilization is in case of produces, it produces the alkyl is produces. The citrate is utilization. It produces the alkyl medium, means basic medium. Alkyl medium is produces. It turn to the blue color. Means negative means it turn to the green color. So the citrate positive. It produces the blue color. The next one, the citrate negative. It produces the green color. Example, what is the example for the citrate positive? Is the Klebsiella. And the next one, green color is nothing like Escherichia coli. This is about our topic biochemical test for laboratory identification of bacteria, oxidase test, sugar fermentation test, as the next one indole test and citrate utilization test. If you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.